Welcome back once more. Let's now take a look at what's happening in the world of sports very quickly. Heading into the hockey season, this year, Butali Warriors were aware of the task that awaited them in defending their title. In spite of that, the coronavirus pandemic continues to test their resolve to remain strong as they prepare for battle. Here is Rotuno Konyuike with the details.
For Butali Sugar Warriors, a second consecutive title in the bag was the spice they needed at the end of the 2019 Hockey League season. With a lot of optimism, the Warriors were determined to defend the title were it not for the coronavirus pandemic. Armed with the new coach Zach Aura, who took charge of the squad early this year, the team was all pregnant and ready to deliver.
We did not lose any match during the other season. That is one thing I really want to break. And this time I want to win all the matches.
Had really worked out a plan to see how best we can maximize our resources.
Dented plans of sorts with the abrupt halt of the season as they miss what would be another merry campaign.
By now, I think we would have played about three or four matches, and I would be able to know where we are and how to improve my team and how to gel the younger players and the older players.
Nevertheless, the unwanted turn of events has not been a reason to falter, as the squad is awaiting normal resumption of play.
We want to change the systems of play, maybe stick with one that we used last year, but add maybe one or two. We have about 3 drag flickers, and I really want to use them because nowadays in the European systems of play, when you get a short corner or a set piece there just outside the D, it normally results into a goal.
For Butali Warriors, the title chase is expected to be one to behold, and even so, the revamped